iPhone that you're holding in your hand, ever wondered where it was made and assembled? While iPhone production is moving more to India, a large bulk of iPhones are still assembled in China. A Chinese firm imports all the components, assembles them together using their large labor force, and exports the assembled iPhones worldwide. In the process, China has created numerous jobs. Just the Apple factory in China employs 700,000 workers. Similarly, the Apple factory in India is also generating significant number of jobs. Chapter 12 shows that India can also follow a similar model by integrating Assemble in India into the Make in India model. In fact, as the adjoining chart shows, the difference between Chinese export performance and India's is all due to lack of specialization, especially in labor-intensive sectors. By focusing on exports of what are called network products, which are manufactured across global value chains all over the world, India can create about 80 million well-paid jobs by 2030. This industry, which is expected to equal about $7 trillion worldwide in 2025, can contribute a quarter of the increase in the value added for the $5 trillion economy by 2020s. The chapter therefore articulates a clear-headed strategy to grab this opportunity.